There's a free ceiling fan for sale that I have. Mainstays. Used, definitely. It's free. I don't really need it. Suppose I'll probably be able to install it for you for free. Give it to you for free and install it for free and no cost. 5 blades. Here's the 5th one. Motor. Single fitter. Pull chains, of course. A globe that I'll have to clean because it's a little dirty. Suppose I'll have to clean this. Oh yeah, well. Whoever wants this, comments on the video, let me know, or let me know at my school. No, you'll have to come to my house to buy it though, or to get it. Like I said, it's free. Bag ain't closing. A free ceiling fan. Used condition still works. Well, definitely still should work since I have not used it in a couple of months. Quite a few actually. But it works. It's free. You'll have to come to my house to get it for free. Knock on the door. And I might be able to install it for free for one of you. One of my lucky subscribers. I'll make sure it's packaged up nicely. Alright. Like I said, free. It's been used a couple times. I don't really need it. Just comment on the video. Or let me know at my school. You'll have to come to my house to buy it. And I might be able to install it for free. Bye.